2-ingredient cough syrup, way cheaper than anything you'll find in the store, and I bet you anything more effective. It's gentle enough for my 2-year-old, plus he actually likes it and it works. We're boycotting all those drugstore medicines because it's been proven that their main decongestant doesn't work, so they're all being taken off the shelves anyway. So it's back to our roots. Making our cough syrup, cheapest one we'll ever have, and everyone in our family can have it if they're over 1. Cutting an organic onion, really small, just don't grate it. And we're gonna layer it with raw honey. Onion is a well-documented decongestant and expectorant. It'll clear mucus out of your system. It also contains compounds that are anti-inflammatory and specifically good for respiratory and lung health. So whether you have asthma or you're just getting a respiratory illness, my husband and my son both have like asthma and issues and they're getting sick, so this is hopefully going to fix them up. Raw honey is immune boosting, super good for your respiratory system, and it's an antiseptic. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 24 hours.
24 hours later.
The honey has extracted the juices from the onion and made it into this lovely watery syrup. Strain it. Ah! That was so dumb. I did just clean my countertops. Keep it in the fridge and it will store like indefinitely because honey is a natural preservative. Take a spoonful of it like 3 times a day and it will help with a nasty cough. You can totally give this to kids over a year old. You just probably want to give them like half a teaspoon or something. The best cough syrup is not found in the store. You can make it at home with only 2 ingredients. It's super cheap and it's safe for everybody over 1.